Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start with safety and parts. Work on a cold engine, wear gloves and eye protection, and disconnect the negative battery terminal before any work. Buy a correct water pump kit for a 2003 Toyota Camry and plan to use a 50/50 coolant mix, roughly 1 gallon to refill. Prepare tools. Sockets 10 mm, 12 mm, 14 mm, ratchet, breaker bar, torque wrench, drain pan, gasket scraper, pick, and RTV sealant for small sealing surfaces. Begin by draining coolant into a suitable container until the level drops below the water pump area and cap hoses to reduce spills. Loosen and remove the serpentine belt, then remove accessory brackets and any intake or timing cover that blocks access, keeping fasteners labeled so reassembly is exact. Unbolt and remove the old water pump, inspect the impeller and housing, and clean the engine mating surface thoroughly, scraping off old gasket material and debris for a flat, clean seal. Fit the new water pump using the supplied gasket and any required RTV. Position the gasket, hand start bolts, then tighten in a crisscross pattern and torque to the Toyota spec for your engine. Reassemble removed covers and the serpentine belt, reconnect the battery, then refill the cooling system with a 50/50 coolant mix to the full mark. Bleed air by running the engine until the thermostat opens and upper radiator hose reaches operating temperature. Watch for leaks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.